This is an Ecoline brush pen, and it's got a nice long brush tip. It's very flexible. And the nice thing about it is it kind of gives you an ombre style when you're writing. I'm using a gray one, which I normally use for shadows, for like drop shadows, but I'm just gonna use it today to write Happy Fall. So when you're using a brush pen, you don't want to go straight up and down like this. You wanna use it at an angle so that you're touching down on the side. You're using the tip of it, but you're not like squishing down on the actual tip. Use the side, and I'll show you right now. So we're gonna write Happy Fall. So first I'm gonna write fall. So your downstrokes are thick and your upstrokes are thin. Oh, I smudged it. I'm gonna throw in a yawl because I can't help myself. Okay, so when you're doing modern calligraphy, when you go upward, your upstrokes are thin and your downstrokes are thick. So if you're gonna do the letter H, when you're going up, thin, down, thick, up, thin, down, thick. That's like the basic premise for calligraphy. There's a lot of drills that you can do where you do thin uplines and you just try to get consistency, or you do thick downstrokes, or you can get crazy with it and combine them into a little exercise. So you can practice. The biggest difference is how much pressure you're putting on the tip. If you look really closely, when I'm going up, I'm not putting as much pressure. When I'm going down, I'm really leaning into the side of the brush pen. Make sense? It's all about practice and gaining muscle memory to perfect your modern calligraphy skills. Thanks for watching. You can check out some of my other videos by clicking on the links at the end of this video. If you have any questions, throw them in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer them.